Chapter 2, Fractions and Decimals. Here, what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole thing. Fraction is a part of whole. Suppose we want to give one apple to two kids, we have to cut into two equal parts. That is one part is called a fraction. 1 by 2. In one apple we cut into 2 means it is a 2 parts, that is called the fraction of half means 1 by 2. Fraction is a part of whole. In this how many types are there? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. These are the main parts, main types. First one, proper fraction. Improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Like fraction. Unlike fraction. Equivalent fractions. Proper, improper and mixed. These are the three main types of fractions. Now, what is the proper fraction? Fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. First one, you have to write this first one. Proper fraction. Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Proper fraction. Example, numerator is less than the denominator. Means here 9 by 11. Any decimal you have to take 9 by 7. Any fraction you have to take 9 by 11, 2 by 7, 4 by 9, like this. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. It is called the proper fraction. Okay. In fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Any examples you can give, that is 9 by 11, 2 by 7, 4 by 9, 3 by 8, like that. Second one, improper fraction. Fractions in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator are called improper fractions. Improper Here denominator is smaller and numerator is greater. Okay. Example 9 by 4, 5 by 3. Any examples you can take. Here the numerator must be greater than the denominator. Then mixed fraction. Fractions with whole number and one fraction means here a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction are called mixed fraction. Example 4 integer 3 by 9. It is a mixed fraction. 3 integer 1 by 2. 7 integer 4 by 5, like this. These are called the mixed fraction. How to read it? 4 integer 3 by 9. This is a whole number. 3 integer 1 by 2. 7 integer 4 by 5. These are the three main types. Now like fraction. What are like fraction? Okay. Like fraction. Fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with a same denominator are called like fractions. Denominator may be any number, but the denominator may be same. Numerator may be any number. 3 divided by 9, 4 divided by 9, 16 divided by 9. The denominator is same. Numerators are different. These are called the like fractions. Then unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions with unlike denominators. Unlike denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay. Example 4 by 9. Any number you can take. Both are different only. Now equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent the fractions that represents the same part of whole, the same part of whole are called equivalent fractions. Examples for equivalent fraction. Example 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2, 3 ones are 3 twos are again 1 by 2. These are called the equivalent fractions. Learn these definitions.